Introducing the new Quingo Flyte Mark II, the latest scooter innovation which overcomes the issues associated with traditional portable scooters, from range, performance, transport and comfort. The Quingo Flyte and its docking station is the only self-lifting 5-wheel portable scooter with big performance, fitting in most small hatchback cars. The docking station is quick and easy to install, without permanent fittings or use of tools. It's simple and installed in just a few minutes. The Quingo Flyte's 2-button remote control automatically docks itself safely and securely in 60 seconds. This also means no heavy lifting. You also have the Quingo 5-wheel advantage: stability, comfort, agility, curb climbing and power. It has a carrying capacity of 25 stone and a range of up to 23 miles without compromise on performance. To experience the benefits of the Quingo Flyte and demonstrate it in your car, arrange your free no-obligation home demonstration today. Call free phone 0800 085 7555.